Greetings everyone, my name is Moses McCormick, and if you've seen my introduction video, you know that this will be our first lesson for this week. Now before I start, I should remind you guys that what I'm going to do after this week, I'm going to have 2 lessons a week. So this week we'll just have today's lesson, and then on Monday of next week we'll have lesson 2, and then Friday we'll have lesson 3. Alright, so because these videos are going to be brief and short, I'm just going to focus on one part, so I'm going to take my time. So as you can see, we have a list of things here. We have our questions, we have our keywords, we have some example sentences here on how to use those keywords with the response to the questions. So as I said before in my introduction video, there are certain things that I like to focus on when I first start learning a language. In my experience, when I meet a native speaker of any language I'm learning, they ask me certain questions and answers. And this is what we're going to focus on for this first lesson, and throughout we're going to have at least 6 lessons. So I like to focus on those, be able to understand them, be able to respond to them in any way that I can to continue the conversation. So today we're going to focus on who. Okay, for the first lesson, and as you can see, I've created a couple sentences using who. So when you talk to someone for the first time, a native speaker, it doesn't matter if it's Chinese, Japanese, it doesn't matter what language it is, they're going to ask you several questions. And mind you, these questions aren't in any particular order. They can be in any, they can ask you how, start with that. So this is no particular order, okay? They're going to ask you who taught you language. They ask you how did you learn language. They ask you when did you start. What's your reason? Where did you learn? These are very common questions, so I believe that a beginner should be able to understand these and be able to answer them when first beginning a language. Okay, this is my approach. This is what I normally do. So who is what we're focusing on today, and these are from responses. So someone is going to ask you this. The question is here. Who taught you English, or whatever? Since we're focusing on English, we're going to use English here. Who taught you English? Or who is your teacher? And this is a possible response here. If you self-taught, if you don't have a teacher, you can use this. You can say, I'm self-taught. Or, I teach myself. I studied it independently. Okay? If they ask you, who is your teacher? Then, I don't have a teacher. You don't have a teacher, or if you have a teacher, my teacher is, let's just use me, for instance, Moses Lao Shu. My teacher is Moses Lao Shu. So these are some possible responses to those questions. Now, how do we use the keywords? There's a set of keywords that I like to use for my first week of study. Although, but, even if, when, and, now, other, and told me. So I'm going to use a couple of these in these sentences that I've created for you. So let's use although. I'm self-taught. Okay, who taught you English? I'm self-taught. Who is your teacher? I don't have a teacher. So although, if we want to use that with I'm self-taught, you can say, although I'm self-taught, my teacher is Moses or Lao Shu. I mean, some people, they do learn languages, they're self-taught, they learn by themselves, but they also have a teacher. So, it may sound weird to some people, but it's possible. You can use that. I teach myself. Although I teach myself, my teacher is Moses. Although I studied it independently, my teacher is Moses. How about but? My teacher is Moses, but I'm self-taught. My teacher is Moses, but I teach myself. My teacher is Moses, but I studied it independently. How about even if? Even if I'm self-taught, my teacher is Moses. Even if I teach myself, my teacher is Moses. Even if I don't have a teacher, I'm self-taught or I teach myself. So you guys get the point here and see the pattern. That's how you use these keywords to expand the sentences. So that's our first lesson for today. Our next lesson, we're going to focus on what. So If you guys have any questions, ask me anytime. You can contact me through email. Here on YouTube, I have a variety of all kinds of ways you can contact me in. So all the information will be in the description area. And thanks for viewing. And I hope that was a useful lesson for you guys. And I will see you in lesson 2. Have a good one.